guys, welcome to Kusu Group. This is Dorothy. Okay, let's take a look at this impeller designed for high-performance turbines and pumps. Its thin, curved blades demand micro-level accuracy to withstand extreme pressures and flows. That's where our 5-axis machining makes the difference. Dealing such complex geometry in a single setup and reducing cycle time, improving consistency. Combined with our CMM inspection, we guarantee sub-micron precision every time. If you've ever faced such precision challenges in the production, let's connect and share the solutions.